Hello, kids! Welcome back to Phonics Teach. Today, we are learning the id family words. Let's say the sounds together. I, d, id. I, d, id. Great job! Now let's read id family words one by one. B, id. Bid. A bid means to offer a price or say yes to buy something. D, id. Did. Did means something already happened. Id. Hid. Hid means to hide something. K. Id. Kid. A kid is a child. Oo. Id. Lid. A lid covers a box or a pot. Id. Mid. Mid means the middle. Id. Rid. Rid means to remove something. Fantastic work, kids! You read all the id family words. Say them one more time with me. Bid. Did. Hid. Kid. Lid. Mid. And rid. See you again for more phonics fun.